Hello, Primary 2. I hope you are all fine and in good health. In this lesson, we are going to practice finding different ways to decompose and combine an amount of money. If I want to show or decompose any amount of money, I need to use one or more of these banknote denominations. 1 Egyptian pound, 5 Egyptian pound, 10 Egyptian pound, 20 Egyptian pound, 50 Egyptian pound, 100 Egyptian pound, and 200 Egyptian pound. I have only these 7 banknote denominations to use in order to pay for anything I bought. For example, Rowan buys a doll. It costs 23 Egyptian pound. She has many banknotes in her wallet. How can she pay for this doll? First, do I have one paper of 23 Egyptian pound? Do I have a banknote has the value of 23 Egyptian pound? No, we don't. So how can she pay for that doll? Yes, as I said before, we are going to use the 7 banknote denominations that we have to create this amount of money, to create 23 Egyptian pound to pay for that doll. Actually, when you went to buy something, you can find different ways to pay for this thing. As we see here, Ruvan can buy this doll and pay 20 Egyptian pound and 3 papers of 1 Egyptian pound, because 20 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that makes 23 Egyptian pound. What if Ruvan doesn't have 1 banknote of 20 Egyptian pound and 3 banknotes of 1 Egyptian pound? If she has 1 banknote of 10 Egyptian pound and 10 Egyptian pound, that makes 20, right? So she needs, yes, 3 papers of 1 Egyptian pound to create 23 Egyptian pound, because 23 equals 10 plus 10, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So that is 23 Egyptian pound. Can we find another way to show 23 Egyptian pound? Yes, actually 20 means 5 plus 5, that's 10, and 5 more, that's 15, and 5 more, that's 20, and 21, 22, and 23. Wow, that's amazing. So we can show any amount of money with more than one way. Just use the 7 banknote denominations that we have: 1, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200. So now we can combine small banknotes to create amounts equal to large banknotes using the 7 banknotes that we have, right? Okay, what if I want to buy a chocolate for 5 Egyptian pound, but I don't have a banknote of 5 Egyptian pound, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 banknotes of 1 Egyptian pound. Can I buy the chocolate? Sure, I can, because 5 Egyptian pound means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5 ones, or 5 papers of 1 Egyptian pound, right? Okay, if I want to buy a basket for 10 Egyptian pound, but I don't have a banknote of 10, and I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 1 banknote of 5 and 5 banknotes of 1. Can I buy the biscuit? Sure, I can buy the biscuit. Or I can also pay 2 banknotes of 5 because 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay, what about 20 Egyptian pound? I can pay 20 if I have 1 banknote of 20 or 1 banknote of 10 and 2 banknotes of 5 because this is 10, 15 and 20, right? Okay, what if I have 1 banknote of 100 Egyptian pound and 2 banknotes of 10 Egyptian pound? That means I have, yes, 120 Egyptian pound, right? What if I want to create the amount of 50 Egyptian pound and I don't have 1 banknote of 50 Egyptian pound? So it could be 20 and 20 means 40 and 10 more, that's 50 Egyptian pound, right? Can you think of more different ways to show the amount of 50? I will let you think about it. Now let's practice some more. Match each set of money with its equal banknotes. If I have these sets of money, the first set I have 2 banknotes of 5 Egyptian pound. That means 5 plus 5. Yes, it's equal to 10. So 5 and 5 equal to 10 Egyptian pound. I can pay 1 banknote of 10 Egyptian pound or 2 banknotes of 5, right? Okay, what about the next set? I have 20 plus 20 makes 40 and 10 more makes, yes, 40 and 10, that's 50 Egyptian pound. So 50 Egyptian pound means 1 paper of 50 or 20, 20, 10. 2 banknotes of 20 Egyptian pound and 1 banknote of 10. You can just skip count by tens if you want to count. 20 and 20, 40 and 10 more, 50, right? What about the third set? If I have 50 and 50, I have 2 banknotes of 50 Egyptian pound. That means 50 plus 50. 50 plus 50 makes, yes, 100 Egyptian pound. Oh, that's really fun to learn about money, how to pay money with more than one way. Thank you for watching. Bye.